Storm Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G Play 2026 for Verizon Prepaid. So the Moto G Play 2026 is now here at Verizon Prepaid. So if you guys are looking to get a budget smartphone, Verizon Prepaid has the Moto G Play 2026 now available. So it's available in a Pantone tapestry color there. There is the front and back of the phone right there. You guys can see the storage options is 64 gigs. So yeah, that's front and back of the phone right there. Very nice looking phone. Looks like any other Motorola phone of recent. So yeah. So there is the back there. It looks like it's a triple camera system. Camera first and Motorola logo. Front has your whole point to your front facing camera. There's the front of the phone there, like I just mentioned, the whole point to your front facing camera. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. Back of the phone. Triple camera system, camera flash. Motorola logo there on the back. Left side of the phone. Right side. Back. Right side power button, volume keys and stuff like that. So yeah. So yeah, you can get this phone for $49.99. So this is a budget smartphone, so not bad for $50. So yeah. So say hello to the new Moto G Play 2026, bringing you the best of entertainment on a phone within reach. Watch your favorite content on the go on the super bright, super smooth 6.7-inch 120Hz. Just go for epic gaming. Go for the epic gaming win, or become a multitasking marvel with 5G speeds, a super fast processor, and RAM boost your unstoppable capturing stunning photos and videos in any light. The 32 megapixel AI power camera system makes it a snap. Working play with 2 days of battery life. When charged, then charge in a flash with turbo power charging. Plus, listen to music and movies on stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, all in a sleek, premium design that's built for a life's journey. Take fun to the next level with the new Moto G Play, okay? So, pretty nice. Specs, stylish yet durable design. Enjoy the premium look and feel of a vegan leather and a water repellent design featuring stress resistant Corning Gold Glass 3. So your phone is water repellent. So that means if you guys get a little bit of water on your phone, you guys will be fine. Your phone's not waterproof, so don't submerge your phone in water. Don't do that because it's not ready for waterproof. So keep it in mind. A super bright, super smooth 6.7-inch display. View your screen clearly, even outdoors in sunlight, and enjoy seamless views with the fast, refreshing 120Hz refresh rate. Not bad for $50. So a lot of budget phones now recommend with the 120Hz refresh rate. So not bad for a budget phone, alright. Super fast 5G performance. Unleash your entertainment at 5G speed with the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset and up to 12 gigabytes of RAM with RAM boost. Okay, so pretty cool. AI power camera system. Take stunning photos in any light thanks to a 32 megapixel quad pixel camera with 4 times better low light sensitivity and an ambient light sensor. Yeah, there we go. Sorry about that. Long lasting battery plus turbo power charging. Power through the day after day. Power through the day after day with a 5200 mAh battery. Then get hours of power in just minutes. Multi-dimensional audio with stereo speakers. Feel the immersive sound all around you. Thanks. Yeah. Feel this immersive sound all around thanks to stereo speakers. Dolby Atmos and high-res audio. Okay. It comes in a Pantone tapestry color. It's like a vegan leather color. So that's pretty nice. Here's your dimensions on the left here, if you guys can see that. It is 6.5 inches height, 0.3 inches length. The width is 3 inches width, and the depth is 0.3 inches. I don't like how they have it height, length, and width. I don't like how they do that. I personally don't like that. Yeah, like I just said, it has a vegan leather finish, water repellent design. It's not waterproof, so don't submerge your in water. If you guys get a little bit of water on your phone, you guys will be fine. But it is not waterproof. It has corn and gold glass 3. It weighs 7.12 ounces. Your depth is 0.33 inches. So yeah, I don't know why they didn't put that in there, but the other dimensions, but interesting. But it's 0.33 inches, that's 6.5 inches height. So yeah, Type-C charging, of course, it's pretty much standard now. Accessibility settings there. It has Google Gemini and Google Assistant, of course. You can choose either one or use both. But you're going to use one at a time, so yeah. You get mobile mobility and cognitive. That's the accessibility feature. Hearing aid compatibility, visual, battery, 624 hours of standby time, 5200 milliamp battery, 69 hours of usage time. Nice. Fast charging, of course. It has 4G, of course, 4G LTE, and there's your things there. It has Wi-Fi 8 to 11, ABG, and then AC, dual band Wi-Fi hotspot. Sorry ratings there. 5G, of course. 5G ultra wideband. You have to have a plan that supports 5G ultra wideband to get the fastest with 5G on Verizon. So keep it in mind. It's a roll device which will work in over 200 countries depending on what plan you have. Additional features. Mixer crap cameras. It has an 8 megapixel front facing camera, rear camera, 32 megapixel quad pixel technology, f2.2 aperture, ambient light sensor. Video has dual capture, time lapse with hyperlapse, slow motion, and audio zoom. Camera modes include portrait, pro mode, video, boost, night vision, auto smile, capture adjusted selfie, face retouch, self animation, selfie photo mirror. Bluetooth, it has Bluetooth on it. I don't know what the Bluetooth version is, probably 5.2, 5.3, maybe, I don't know. It has a MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor, which is a quad core. No, I think it's octa-core, so I think it's octa-core chipset. Android 16, obviously, up to 1 terabyte of micro SD card expansion, so take advantage of that. Hotspot, of course. It has fingerprint sensor, face unlock, and things too. 64 gigabytes of storage and 4 gigabytes of RAM. Take advantage of the micro. Take advantage of the memory card. Take advantage of the memory card. So take advantage of that. Display 6.7 inches LCD HD display. Corning Google Glass 3. 120 Hz refresh rate. 20:9 aspect ratio. Yeah, let's see what comes in the box. I think we scroll all the way back up to the top here to see that. What comes in the box is your Motorola G 2026 prepaid smartphone. Some ejection tool. Type-C charging cable. I don't know if it's Type A to Type-C or if it's Type-C to Type-C. It doesn't say. And it has your books, like your terms and conditions and stuff like that. So you just send stuff in the box there. So, yeah. So, there you guys have the Moto G Play 2026. It's now here at Verizon Prepaid for $49.99 for a retail price. So, if you guys are looking to get a budget smartphone on Verizon Prepaid, the Moto G Play 2026 is worth checking out here. Sorry about the fan, because I'm sitting outside recording the video here, so sorry about that. Hopefully, y'all guys won't hit the fan as much in video, so. Yeah, very nice looking fan, great space, and features for what it is. $50, you can't go wrong. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.